What's the meaning of backdraught? Backdraught. Backdraught.
Backdraught. Backdraught. Backdraught is a term used to describe a sudden, explosive ignition of fire caused by a rush of oxygen into an enclosed space, often due to a door or window being opened. When a fire is burning in an enclosed space, it uses up the available oxygen, creating a lower pressure environment inside. If a source of oxygen, such as a door or window, is introduced suddenly, the oxygen rushes in and can ignite the gases that have built up in the enclosed space, causing an explosive combustion. This phenomenon can be extremely dangerous for firefighters and other emergency responders, as it can cause a rapid and unexpected escalation of the fire.